Ever wondered how some people seem to make money while they sleep? Well, they probably do. And today I'm going to reveal how. We're diving into the fascinating world of passive income, exploring 9 proven methods that are changing lives around the globe, from turning your passions into profit to leveraging the digital world's limitless opportunities. We're uncovering the secrets to earning without the 9-to-5 grind. Stay tuned, because these insights could be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Number 1. Foodtrucker.com. Starting off our journey is Foodtrucker.com, a niche gem in the digital landscape. Launched in 2012, it stands as a beacon for both seasoned and aspiring food truck owners, offering a treasure trove of resources tailored to the unique needs of the mobile culinary world. But here's the twist. The site's main revenue doesn't come from food recipes or truck designs. It's all about the knowledge packaged in 2 comprehensive ebooks. These digital books, covering everything from starting a food truck business to scaling it, are the core products that make this website a passive income powerhouse. It's a classic case of identifying a specific audience and creating targeted products that Plus, the digital nature of ebooks means no inventory headaches, just pure, seamless passive income. What makes Foodtrucker.com particularly interesting is its strategic use of content marketing. By regularly updating the site with valuable blog posts, tips, and success stories, it continually attracts new visitors while keeping existing ones engaged. This approach not only boosts ebook sales, but also establishes the site as an authority in the food truck niche. Imagine the impact of a well-placed article that goes viral, or a testimonial from a successful food truck owner. These are the moments that transform a simple website into a thriving, self-sustaining online business. Number 2. SecurityGuardTrainingHQ.com. Now let's shift gears to SecurityGuardTrainingHQ.com. Created in 2010, this website zeroes in on individuals aiming to step into the world of security guards. The secret sauce to its passive income? Google AdSense. By providing comprehensive information on security guard training across various states, the site attracts a steady stream of visitors. These visitors are then presented with carefully placed ads, generating income each time they're clicked. It's a classic example of the ad-based revenue model, where quality content attracts visitors and their interactions with ads turn into cash. But it's not just about slapping ads onto a web page. The genius lies in the site's ability to consistently rank high in search engine results, thanks to its focused and well-researched content. This ensures a steady influx of new visitors, crucial for maintaining and growing ad revenue. Moreover, the site's niche focus means the ads displayed are highly relevant to the visitors, increasing the likelihood of clicks. It's a well-oiled machine, where good content drives traffic, traffic drives ad clicks, and ad clicks drive income. A perfect circle of passive earnings. Number 3. SmartPassiveIncome.com. Moving on, we have SmartPassiveIncome.com, a site that's become synonymous with online passive income strategies. Here's where things get really interesting. Among its various income streams, a standout is a single blog post about starting a podcast. This post doesn't just educate, it monetizes through a trifecta of affiliate links, an email list, and a software product, the Smart Podcast Player. The affiliate links embedded in the post direct readers to products and services related to podcasting. When readers purchase through these links, the site earns a commission. It's affiliate marketing done right, leveraging trust and authority to recommend products that genuinely help the audience. But there's more. The Smart Podcast Player, a software tool developed by the site's team, is directly marketed in the post. This not only provides value to readers looking to enhance their podcast experience, but also opens up a direct revenue stream through software sales. Furthermore, the site cleverly uses the post to grow its email list, a critical asset in the online marketing world. Subscribers to this list receive more valuable content, updates, and offers, creating a long-term relationship that continuously fuels passive income. Number 4. Smart Podcast Player. The Smart Podcast Player is a shining example of how a well-crafted software product can become a passive income generator. Born in 2014, this tool was designed to address a specific need in the podcasting community: a sleek, functional, and user-friendly podcast player for websites. What makes this product a passive income success is its self-sustaining nature. Once developed, it requires minimal ongoing maintenance, allowing for consistent income through its sales. It's the dream of every digital entrepreneur. Create a product that solves a problem, launch it, and watch the income roll in with little to no daily involvement. This software product stands out due to its direct relationship with its target market. The developers, being podcasters themselves, had a clear understanding of what podcasters needed, leading to a product that hit the mark in terms of functionality and aesthetics. Plus, by using smartpassiveincome.com as a platform for promotion, the Smart Podcast Player had an immediate audience ready to embrace it. This cross-promotion not only boosted sales, but also reinforced the brand's authority in the podcasting space, creating a cycle where product and platform support and enhance each other's value and revenue potential. Number 5. Demonstration videos. Demonstration videos offer a brilliant avenue for passive income, particularly through affiliate commissions. Imagine this. You create a tutorial video showcasing how to use a popular software like ConvertKit. Viewers watch your video to learn about the software, and you include an affiliate link in the description. Every time someone purchases the software through your link, you earn a commission. The beauty of this method lies in its scalability and longevity. Once the video is uploaded, it can continue to earn money as long as it remains relevant and viewed. This approach combines your expertise and the power of visual content to create a passive income stream that works around the clock. Number 6. Books. Writing and selling books, both digital and physical copies, is a timeless way to generate passive income. Platforms like Amazon have democratized the publishing industry, allowing anyone with valuable insights or captivating stories to become an author. Once your book is written and published, it becomes a permanent asset that can generate sales indefinitely. You can sell through online marketplaces or your own website, using marketing strategies like social media promotion and email marketing to boost visibility. The key here is the creation of evergreen content that continues to attract readers, making your book a continuous source of passive revenue. Number 7. Podcast advertising. Podcast advertising is a lucrative passive income stream, especially with the growing popularity of podcasts. As a podcaster, you can integrate ads into your episodes, earning money for every listen that includes the ad. This model works exceptionally well if you have a podcast with a loyal and engaged audience. The more your listener base grows, the more attractive your podcast becomes to advertisers, leading to higher rates and more income. It's a win-win. Your listeners get valuable content, and you get compensated for your efforts, all while building a stronger connection with your audience. Number 8. Event ticket sales. Earning affiliate commissions through event ticket sales is another innovative way to generate passive income. Here's how it works. You promote events relevant to your audience, using affiliate links to sell tickets. Each sale made through your link earns you a commission. This method is particularly effective if you have a platform like a blog, social media channel, or email list with followers interested in these events. By aligning with events that resonate with your audience's interests, you can create a source of income that feels natural and unobtrusive, all while adding value to your audience's experience. Number 9. Promoting online courses. Lastly, promoting online courses can be a highly rewarding passive income strategy. By affiliating with course creators or platforms, you can earn commissions for every student who enrolls through your referral. This method is incredibly effective if you have established yourself as an authority in a particular field or have a dedicated audience that trusts your recommendations. You can leverage this trust by promoting courses that genuinely benefit your audience, ensuring that your passive income efforts also enhance your reputation and relationship with your followers. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of passive income. Remember, the path to financial freedom is at your fingertips. It's time to explore, innovate, and earn. Happy earning, and see you in the next adventure.